Let's start the interview. I have worked extensively in the customer success and customer support division, and I've even worked with multiple SaaS companies. So I believe that should help me with the necessary skills to excel at this role. Yes, in my previous with my previous employer at my site, I introduced with the help of the product team, we introduced checkpoints in a customer's journey to understand if they are facing issues or where they're facing a bottleneck, and then I would proactively reach out to them, and that helped with reducing the churn and and it also helped with customer retention because we would proactively reach out to the users. Yes, I believe we were able to reduce churn by 7%, and NPS scores had also increased. So we were initially at about 79%, but I think we reached around 83% in NPS and CSAT. Yeah. Well, at first, I would try to understand the goals of the organization, what are the objectives, and then I would understand the platform using I have this ability to learn technology quickly, and then apply them, depending upon the customer, taking the feedback, understanding, the customers, and then I would be able to implement these, uh, my skills in order to help achieve the shared goal with the organization. Yes, so this is basically based on the number of reported incidents. We would have the customers report multiple incidents. We would categorize them in the ticketing tool, and then we would pull reports. So, depending upon the kind of issues, we would put them into different buckets. And that way, by the end of the day or by the end of the month, we would be able to collate what kind of issues we are facing. If it's something to do with the OS or something with the platform, we'll get to know, and that way we were able to focus and tell the product team proactively to fix issues or to streamline the UI, etc. So this helped in improving the customer experience. In terms of operational cost, initially the categorization was done using an external tool, but then using with the internal tool and automating using Google Sheets, we were able to extract the data, and that was automated, so it didn't really need an external tool, which we saved money on paying in terms of licenses. Well, see, once whenever I manage customers, multiple accounts, I actually have calls with them, weekly calls, or sometimes when they are, close to going live or have making some changes. Then I have a call, two calls every week, so that I can follow up with them. So while I understand the customer cycle, as in at what stage of development they are, at what stage of go live they are in, I'm able to leverage other features or services that we offer. So in terms of a 24/7 support and service contract, so I was able to leverage that by upselling features, because I feel for a SaaS company, services are more have more profit margin. So I was able to upsell that by understanding the customer cycle. I think one of the biggest criteria that we need to think about when we are actually talking and dealing with customers is to be able to listen. It's only when we listen to them do we understand, their requirements, and then based on their requirements, you suggest products which are going to be valuable to them. So I think it's solution based selling. So based on what they want, you find out the app solution, and then you suggest it to them, and in the process you can also leverage certain other things which will make things easier for them. I think this improves customer experience, because they understand that you're actually listening to them and suggesting solutions according to what they need rather than what you want to sell.